Welcome, is your HONOR X7d overheating? In this video I will show you why and how to fix it. So generally smartphones can overheat due to several common causes. For example, prolonged gaming or resource-intensive tasks, recording video, using the phone while charging, having many background apps, exposure to direct sunlight and poor ventilation, etc. etc. Now, if you want to troubleshoot your phone when it's overheating, start by disabling all background apps. To do that, swipe your finger from the bottom of the screen to enter the apps menu and just tap the trash icon right here to close them all. Then you can temporarily enable the power saving mode. To do that, swipe down the control center and tap on the power saving icon, then tap enable and let your phone stay in this mode for a while until your device's battery goes cooler. This will throttle the CPU and will lower the power consumption. The next tip is avoiding usage the phone while it's charging, because when you avoid using your phone while it's charging, it reduces the heat from simultaneous charging and usage, and also avoid using the device in the direct sunlight or in hot environments. If you have any cases, protective cases on your phone, then remove them, especially when you're charging your phone, or at least for the moment when your device is overheated, because removing the protective case will improve your phone's heat dissipation. And that's basically it. Following these tips helps you keep your phone cooler, maintain performance and protect internal components from heat damage. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.